Okay, so before we start our presentation, I would like to introduce to our teammates and their duty. First of all, the leader is me, Muhammad Arif Izzuddin bin Abdul Ghaffar, who in charge in final design and get design. Second is Muhammad Fikri bin Muhammad Sabri, in charge in report and proposal. Third one is Ahmad Bukhari bin Abdul Halim, who in charge in report and slide. And lastly, Muhammad Zukal and Amin bin Razali, who in charge in DFM design workbook. So let's proceed to the presentation. First of all, I would like to thanks to Dr. Shahibudin and Encik Hassan for giving us this opportunity here to do our project, which is pineapple lampshade. Okay, without further ado, I would like to jump into my first slide, which is a background product. Okay, what is a lampshade? Lampshade is a feature that covers the light bulb on a lamp to diffuse the light it emits. Second, significant emphasis is also usually given to decorative and aesthetic features. Third, some lampshades are also lined with a hard back opaque lining, often white or gold. And finally, usually conical or cylindrical in shape. So this is all about our product, which is defines what the meaning of a pineapple lampshade. Okay, next I want to present about our main objective and goal for our product. Okay, so the first objective and goal for our product is to create items which only minimal material use. Second, allow people to create new ideas and product. Third, 3D printer aim to facilitate learning and by developing a technical advantage in various subject matter. And finally, to create a visual model to enhance the learning experience of the content being delivered. So this is all about the objective and a goal for our product, which benefits a view of full aspect to users and consumer. So that's all. Okay, so I have already reached my last part for our presentation, which is design statement and identifying opportunities. First, who is the target audience of this product? The target audience for this product is for a consumer that love the tropical, floral, and nature as their interior design concept. So this is our main target and main audience for our product. The second, what is the goal of the design? Of course, the goal of our design is to produce apparent focus on the theme. First one. Second, produce high aesthetic value of product, beautiful, and also function. That is our goal of the design. Lastly, what type of product category should be pursued? So our product will pursue on home decoration and accessories. So that's all for my part. Thank you for listening.
Hi, I am Ahmad Bukhari bin Abdul Halim, metric number B0918102211, and I will continue the presentation with design development for key value component. So, which type of product value should design be aiming to provide? First, functional value, and second, unique. For the functional value, compulsory as it is the main function product being produced. For the unique, fulfill the type or theme that need to be achieved. Next, design development of concept generation. How to create design feature that provide a feeling of exclusivity. First, combination of agreement and display of component and parts. Second, combination from real product. Next, design development of concept refinement. Which design concept have high potential to be developed so that they meet the target specification? First, functional value, intricate design. Second, unique value. Next, design development, concept selection. Is the concept suitable to be manufactured on available additive manufacturing system? Yes, using a fused deposition modeling, FDM. Is this a material extrusion?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zulkarnain Amir Mirazali. My matrix number is B09180347. I will continue this presentation with design development in detail design. We need to ensure of what kind of information that we need to conclude in the development of the final concept of the product. Firstly, we need to include colors of the product as a first information to develop a product. A part that came with a various and attracting color will give more opportunities to develop and marketing this product. Thus, this product came with natural colors. Second is a part processing. A part processing is also an important information to develop the product. Amount of material needed, number of process that need to get through to finish a product also consider. For this product, only two parts that needed to be created. Thirdly, the function of the product is also considered to develop this product concept. Thus, this lampshade was very useful for home user, restaurant, and mostly hotel because it will give a beautiful light reflections. Lastly, the size. This lampshade size was very suitable at many places. It is in a medium size so that it can be used in room or lobby and somewhere else. Alright, next I will continue my presentation with design development in prototype testing. So what is the prototype testing used for? Prototype testing usually is created to test the function and the features of the product. Alright, next for design development in Design Ready, we have prepared this model and save it into a special file format which is STL or IGS so that we can easily convert it into or insert it into slicing software which is FlashPrint so that we can prepare the product before we start printing it using 3D printing. Okay, next for the sketching. As you can see, we have made two different sketching, which is on the right side of your screen with a color was our first sketching model. Then on the left side was our latest sketching for our product. We have developed this design to make the second sketching much better than the first sketching. I think that's all from me. I will pass this presentation to my friends. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Fikri bin Muhammad Sabri and my matric number is B0918100204 and I would like to present the final design or CAD design. For this project, we have drawn the design of pineapple lampshade in SolidWorks software. SolidWorks is one of the best modeling software that can develop mechatronic system from beginning to the end. For instance, visual inspection and model creating for our product had been made by using SolidWorks. SolidWorks features can turn our sketch geometry into 3D geometry. They are the building blocks used to take our design step by step to the final product. They also can allow to add and remove material in a number of different ways, including using extrudes, revolve, fillets, chamfers, and many more. And we can see the image of the drawing template of the product, of the pineapple lampshade product that we have designed in SolidWorks, and which consists a top view, front view, and trimetric view. And next, after drawing the final design of the product in the SolidWorks, we have used FlashPrint as a last process before start printing the model into 3D printing machine. FlashPrint is a type of a slicer program that converts digital 3D models into printing instructions for a given 3D printer to build an object. In addition to the model itself, the instruction contains user-entered 3D printing parameters such as layer height, speed, and support structure settings. With a 3D model in a format that a slicer can understand, the next step is to provide printing details like layer height, speed, part positioning, and several other manufacturing related settings. During this step, the 3D model also can be partially modified. Overall dimension can be changed through scaling, features, and parts can be partially or entirely hollowed, filled with infill patterns, and provided wall thickness value. And this step also includes the enabling of support structures, which is one of the most practical features of a 3D slicer. In this flash screen, we can click the support options and an option box will appear. Support options include Freelite and Linear. When you choose one of the support options, software will judge whether existing supports need to be deleted or not on the basis of the type of existing support. But for this pineapple lampshade model, we just click the auto support button. The software will judge the position where supports are needed and generate corresponding Freelite or linear supports. If it is a model with supports, the existing support will be deleted and new supports will be generated. Meanwhile, we have set up print parameter by click print button, and the print parameter will occur, and we have choose material type of ABS because in SolidWorks we use ABS material for pineapple lampshade. We have choose standard for resolution option and 15% of fill density that we have choose with hexagon fill pattern. The combined infill we have choose every 2 layers, and the print speed is 60 millimeters per second, and for the extruder temperature we have choose 220 degrees Celsius. After set up the printing parameter, click OK and the result has shown, and we can see the printing information parameter of each character. For the body part of pineapple lampshade, the number of layers we can see is 548, and the estimate print time is 5 hours 16 minutes, and estimate material is 3.16 meters. For the holder part of the lampshade, we can see the number of layers is 200, and the estimate print time is 50 minutes, and estimate material is 1.60 meters. Okay. The conclusion, at the end of this project, we have learned a lot about printing process and additive manufacturing, starting from the basic on drawing model in SolidWorks software until using the slicing software, which is the flash print as the last process before start printing the model. Although we didn't have an opportunity to print the model for real using the 3D printing machine due to MCO, but guided by the lecturer and experiment using the software, we were able to complete this project. 3D printing is limitless, and only the surface has been scratched. There is still much more to be uncovered. As shown throughout the webpage, 3D printing bones is still new and continuously improving and adjusting, but it has already enhanced the life of many patients around the world, and more specifically in Malaysia. It is evident that the more funding and research put into 3D printing, further 3D printing will take us. 3D is forever unpredictable. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, a prototype is worth 1,000 pictures. And that's all for the presentation of my group. Thank you.